Hey, on this video, I would like to show you how to create an insight dashboard. So on previous videos, we show you how to create a map, a product map, product table, or a report table, where clicking on an element on this goes to an insight dashboard, right? In the previous videos, we show you what is an insight dashboard. Now we would like to show you how to create an insight dashboard and how to navigate from the map or from the table to that specific dashboard. So let's go to the Things Manager. We click on the details of this product where we have all of the devices of this demo. We have here the box of the Insight dashboard, and we will click Create a Dashboard. So we are not going to edit, etc. We are going to edit this one. So let's say test video. Okay, and it will be default. So cold chain tracker brings some specific widgets, but let's go with the cold chain tracker or the default. Both bring a specific widgets. So if we click create, click. We have here on the list, we click actions, edit, we can change the name or we can delete it. Okay, soon it will be available, the feature clone inside dashboard, because in some cases we have some clients that that have huge dashboards and they need specific clients with inside dashboards that needs to be a little bit different for the other client. Actually, the inside dashboards are also called from apps. So it's apps and distributors that I'm going to show you in future videos. So this is something that it's going to be on the next videos. Okay, so it's a little bit slowly in this case, but as you see, it's a cold chain basic dashboard with just a design that we define. Okay, but actually you have to edit all the widgets. So in this case, it's a location. We will say that it's user thing resource. So let me explain you what does it mean each one. So an alert, it's an alert to define, so to let your clients define alerts when data gets outside a specific threshold. iframe link, it's for clients that are introducing iframes from outside, like YouTube, for example. You know that it brings an iframe. Or there are mapping solutions that are working with the things.io that are working with iframes, or Power BI, things like that are working, are getting integrated with the things.io and getting visualized with iframes. HTMLs are types of widgets that I'm going to explain you in the future, okay, in the next videos. External images are in case of, you want to introduce an image from outside with a public URL. But we are going to use this user thing resources. So in our case, one of the resources of our things on this product, the tracker product that you saw before, with the temperature. So we're going to show you the temperature. Actually, this is a map widget. Let's say that it's real time, and I want to customize it. So you need to display it's Celsius in case that you want to put it. We can visualize other resources in the map in case that other resources are geolocalized. In this case, we don't have other resources geolocalized. What's the zoom? I don't know, we can leave it like this. We say roadmap. We are not going to show radius. Okay, so we have, another important thing. So when you are editing a dashboard that it's not the main dashboard, so it's an app dashboard that I'm going to show you in future videos, or insect dashboards, the data that you're going to see, it's random data. So it doesn't belong to the device that you want to edit or things like that, okay? So don't worry if it's not exactly what you thought that it's going to be visualized, etc. This is just random data visualized here, just to show you one example. Okay, so current temperature is the same. So let's say it's a temperature. Okay, so before we introduced we introduced last value with map. Now we're going to introduce last value with number and real time as well. In case that we want to show you a secondary resource below, we have this resource and unit. but we are not going to do it. We are going to do it later on. And this color manager belongs to the resource to show. So click done, okay. And okay, we're going to delete the others. I'm not going to use the others, so we just delete it and delete them. I'm going to put the temperature like this, and we're going to do historical charting of the temperature. So global values, let's say, it's as well a user thing resource. Mostly it's the most used. And it's not last value in this case, okay? It's historical, and it's a line chart, okay? We can have line charts, bar charts. In case that you want to show routes, I'm going to show you now a widget, how to do it. But it's a line chart. It's not real time. Let's say that we want to show 100 values. So the story here is that that we visualize points of data on the charts, not by date. So after that, you have a filter by date on the chart, but here you have to specify that you want to see, I don't know, 1,000 data, for example. Okay, the unit the same. So in this case, it's Celsius. If you want a specific color, you can leave it as is, and it's okay, or you can specify a specific color. If you have maximum and minimum, in this case, we don't have. If you want to show the total, like the last value on the title, show the legend, show labels, show download options, or show min, let's say show min. If you want to show a specific IY plotline, in case that you want to have a line there. In this case, I want to show a secondary resource. So, well, if you want to disable zoom, sometimes so these dashboards are mobile responsive, but with mobile phones, the zoom doesn't work really well, so you should disable zoom, okay? So let me introduce another like battery voltage, let's say. This will be blue, this will be volts, okay? And let's click done. Okay, so let's save. And let's do one thing. So I'm gonna create as well the, oops, let's refresh for a second. So let's create a route widget, okay? In this case, on the geolocation widget. Okay, we have geolocation related with that, so we can have a route. So we have a 100 points route with color manager node. Let's say that it's 6, but it's satellite. I want to show the markers, not only first and last location, no start and then images. So in this, that means that we are going to show start and then images. I don't want to cluster points. Enable polygons. This is something that I'm going to show you in next videos. Active path, in case that we want to have a line and show the arrows to see the direction. Okay, because it's very random, I'm going to say 10 numbers. So I click done. Okay, we're going to put this here, like let's say like this. Okay, so I save it. Okay, and we go to the main dashboard. Wait a second. So important, let's copy the insight ID. Okay, we can copy it from here, from the things manager. And let's go to the main dashboard. We edit this widget. We click here, and we define that the insight dashboard is this one. So we save, and now we go to the insight dashboard. Okay, and what we are going to see is what we defined before, right? We defined the location. Actually, probably the name was not correct. I put temperature and it's geolocation. You can see the geolocation, the current temperature, and actually we have too many data. But yeah, if we do zoom, as we did on stop the zoom, so we can see the battery voltage. It's another resource, and the temperature together. Okay. So that's how the Insight dashboards work. Actually, because the table, we didn't change the Insight ID, this jumps to the previous ones. Okay. And yeah, that's how to make Insight dashboards and how to link them with the widgets.